deep in the shadows. I know it's hard.
Okay, hi guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa sa Yishun. Bibili kami ng fish plato. So dito na rin kami magla-lunch. Tulog si Chaba. So ito yung lunch ng dalawa. So kuya, carbonara and French fries, but this one is a la carte one, right? Yeah. Sa bunso naman, fish and chips.
I put here, then you can use. I put garlic and
bread.
Here, okay? So in case you want to use it, you can share.
How the spaghetti? Well, the spaghetti quite a lot, The servings a lot. How much the one? You want share with Titi? You want? Yeah, I think share lah.
30.
Oh, I think share cause a lot. Then your fish, you can share to Coco, right?
You want some spaghetti?
Yes.
Huh? I got a half the fish to give you.
So, yung sa amin ni Daddy, mamaya pa. So, yeah, it's a lot. This one is like 2 people servings. You see, even the French fries, dami niya, guys. $10. So, ayan, dito yan. Itong na to, yung stall na to, dyan yan. Tapat siya ng drinks. Well, it's not this like chocolate.
This one is only the chocolate powder.
So what is the truffle powder? For the truffle, honestly, I don't like the truffle.
No, this one is the tartar sauce for the fish. Guys, is it enough? Or you want some more?
Feeling ko amoy asong hindi naligo.
Okay, so this is your phone I use.
Ayan, tignan nyo kapag gusto nila yung yung food, they can finish. Mostly this one. Pag masarap yung pagkain, nag-uubos na talaga. Ang hangin, guys. Tulog pa si Chaba hanggang. Buti na lang mahangin. Patay na natin kung Hindi ko na i-charge. Kaya left 42 na lang siya. Yeah, but ang sarap yung sauce nila, yung tartar sauce. I like the tartar sauce. Tsaka yung pagkaluto ng French fries nila, ang sarap. Crunchy. You have also one what? Huh? Very crunchy. Ayok, nalagyan na yung buhok nila. Today walang pasok. It's a holiday. Nice. Nagising na si Chaba. Hi! Kuya Jada. So, tapos na sila kumain. So, hinihintay lang namin si Daddy. Para kami naman na magla-lunch. So, ayan si Daddy. He's full already.
It's full already?
So, ayan, bumili si Daddy ng drinks. Bunso, pandong. May one, lemon tea. Coco. Ice Milo. Then kay Daddy, coffee. Okay, so ito yung lunch ko, beef noodles, dry one. So, bagong first time namin tong ita-try kainin. Tapos yung kay Daddy naman is soup. Mostly ito yung mga pinakain namin, may sabaw. So, tingnan natin kung masarap. Yan, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Laki na nila, guys. So, ang bilis nila lumaki. Nakapunta na naman naughty corner aming papa. Hello, Chaba! So, yeah. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. So, ayan. Okay, let's go. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Asian Park. Ayan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Asian Park. So, ang sarap. Yung hawkers, guys, ayan lang, tapat lang siya ng Asian Park. Let's go. Okay. Walang mangosteen. Madaming mga puno dito. Yan. Okay. So, dito tayo dadaan. Masarap mag-ano dito, maglakad, mag-jogging. Tapos, ang ano na to, labas na to. Pag dito kayo dumaan, labas na to, malapit sa Yishun Sapra. Malapit din sa Yishun Interchange. Yan. Naririnig niyo ba yun? Kuliglig. So, magtitingin tayo ng durian. Yan, may punong durian sa loob na yan. So, nung maliliit sila, yan, dito namin sila madalas dinadala. Long time. Kasi lagi umuulan, tsaka busy last few weeks.
Yeah,
Busy. Diba? We're busy because of the exam of the kids. Homework. Then daddy also need to go to work. Because sometimes, meron siyang emergency call. Ayan. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, maybe. So, ayan, naglagay na sila ng net para sa durian. Ito, may durian kasi dito, guys. I have. I think have there. I don't know. Yan. Oh, Daddy, you're so happy. Daddy. Nakakita sila ng rooster. Ayun.
You don't want to see the pond?
Ayun.
You don't want to go to the... I don't think there's water inside.
Behind. Ayun, may rooster daw. Ang daming mga manok dito. Mag-aalas 4 na. Plano namin dapat kami aalis ng bahay. 9 a.m. Then until what time we wake up? Oh, I alarm 7:30. But I cannot wake up. Was too tired last night. I sleep about 3 a.m. Yeah, ang daming dyan, guys. Ang daming mga tawag dyan? Manok. Manok chips. Walang bunga yung santol. Puno to ng santol, yeah. I think it's not season, right? Yan, puno to ng santol, guys. Nandito na kami sa Asian Central. Yan, tatawid tayo dyan. The fish? Dati madaming isda dito eh. Where's the fish? No more. Avenue. Ito yung guys. Asian Sapra. Yan ang Asian Sapra. Nakakita kami ng squirrel na naman. Uy, ang daming squirrel. Dalawa sila. May monitor. Ayun siya, oh.
You see the green color one? Yeah. With the black color side? There is a peacock ball. Peacock.
Oh, may ibon. Maglalaro yung mga bata.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! Wow, taas ha? Galing. Ay, ang ganda nung ano, oh. Nilagyan nila ng design yung ano, yung building na to. Dati ano yan eh, plain na building lang siya, oh. Plain white paint. Nandito tayo bumibili ng ano, ng fish sa Asian, guys. Malapit lang siya sa interchange ng Asian. So, ayan. Buti bukas sila kasi today is holiday. So, ayan. Dito tayo bumibili ng ano, ng mga fish.
Can you get blue eye?
Blue eyes.
Yeah, the blue eye.
So, madami kayong pagpipili. I think I have left because they have this one, the bird. Yeah. I think here, Daddy.
Blue eyes?
You see? There. Ano? You see that? So, ayan. Let's go. Yan. We buy the fish here. Yan. Doon. Marami dun sa loob. Ang ganda na ito, oh. Fish. Nice, oh. Koi. This one can be. Lumalaki yun ng sobrang laki. So, ayan. Kunin na natin yung ano, yung aking fish. Let's see. Daddy, this one.
The orange shell.
Yeah, this one. This one. Alright. Oh, welcome to the house. Oo. Maano siya, playful. It's playful. Yeah. Okay, we have one. Okay. So, ayan, nagbabayad. So, ayan, ito yung binili namin kanilang goldfish.
Not too much, eh?
So, ilalet go na natin siya. Welcome to our house. Okay.
Oh,
So, tatlo yan.
so tight.
3 for $10, right? Tatlo sila. Ang tatlo. Ayun, yung maliit na yan si Mami yan, tsaka si Daddy. Tapos, yung tatlo na yan, yung tatlong kids yan. Si Maymay, si Coco, and si Coco too. Hapa ko ni Daddy. Si ano yan? Si J-M-A. J-A-M. Uy, labas na kayo dyan. Ayaw lumabas. Go, go, go! Where's the fish? Gusto ko talaga ang goldfish, guys. Oh, ayun, lumabas na siya, oh. Goldfish.
Well, they go back in again.
Go, go, go! Ayun na yung dalawa. So, ayan. Welcome sa aming bahay. So, hindi pa natin siya pwedeng bigyan ng food. So, tomorrow.